So we are discussing about removing an object in Nuke as well as adding an object in Nuke. First of all, we'll try to remove this object in Nuke. Okay, P is for paint. So I'll drag and drop it over here. The first thing I want to do is that I want to remove this whole thing. Okay, remove it. Okay, so select this and just hit here. We can see the clone thing over here. Just click it, just press shift, so you can see the clone option like this. Press shift and move left mouse. We can see the adjustments with the clone tool, make it bigger and smaller. Fine. So we'll select it and press alt. We can move this like this, and press control. We can see the source and destination here. So press control and just try to remove this. So it will take lot of time, so I'm not doing it perfectly, so I'm just okay moving it. Okay, it is not 100% perfect, it will take some time. Okay, so you can see on the first frame we have removed all the things. When I play this, you can see after the first frame what is happening here. The original frame is coming. Why? Because only the roto paint is affected in the first frame. Fine. Then what we have to do is that we have to make a frame hold. We have to make this thing a hold. Okay, make sure that you are going to remove this thing 100% perfect. Okay, fine. So frame hold, so click here. So frame hold, we can see two things: frame, first frame, increment. So in the first frame I have to add the first frame over here, which means whatever frame we have been painted must be that frame should be inserted on this frame, means on this area. Okay, for that I will be adding the frame as first. Okay, now you can see the complete footage is been holded. Okay, now I will be adding a merge node. Press here, press M for merge. Okay, then I will be adding a roto. I have to cut this thing. Okay, if you want you can use the Photoshop also, but we have to do continuously this thing, means that you have to do in Nuke. The same thing, if you want, we can take one picture and go to Photoshop and clean it, make a clean plate, and we can do the thing. But I am teaching how we can clone it in Nuke as well. Okay, so I will add a roto node. Roto node will use O for roto. Select. So what is happened is that the merge is been flipped. That's why we are showing the distracted image. Fine. So select it. Press Shift X. So then the footage is been okay right now. Okay. So we have done the roto here. So click here and make sure that we are going for the Bezier tool and just click, and we will make that part complete selection. Okay, so the problem is that we are finding a black thing right here. Why? Because if we click this original footage, we can see there is no alpha channel here. Okay, one thing is that, and the next thing is that it is over. I want only this portion should be created, means that we have rotoed that part only been removed, or else we can say I only want this part. So in over I select and make it in. Okay, and in also we are not finding something, right? So first thing, I will make this one auto alpha on, as well as this is completely not what background and foreground is not flipped. So once more select this, press Shift X. Shift X. Now we can see the roto. Whatever we have done in the roto pane, we can see it over here. So this is our first task. Then I have to go to, this is the frame hold, right? So now we want, this is the same portion whatever I have cut. Copy this complete footage, Control V, and press, make a merge node here. Press a merge, and I will click here. Now we can see this thing is on the top of this area. That's why I have already told you now to, if you want to, you can do it in the Photoshop also. Okay, okay, fine. Now the next problem is that I will play this, you can see it is moving here. Okay, so the problem is that you have to track something, after that you will match move it. So I will select this footage, press 1, and first of all we are removing this, right? So we will have to add a tracker over here. So select it, add a tracker, press tab, tracker. Okay, so this is our tracker. So select this one, press 2, first area, add track, select on this area. This is our complete tracked portion. Whatever area we have to track, we will put it over here and do a manual track. Not manual track, add a default track. So Nuke is tracking the information to us. Just click here so you can see the complete tracking information like this. Okay, I have not done rotation as well as scale, so it is a smooth track even though we didn't add something. Not that much rotation or scale is there. Okay, now I remove this one. I only want the information. Which information? That is the tracking information. So I will select it, go to the merge node, and we will see this information by clicking this one. Okay, and I close this one. We can see the it is not match moved. So what I have to do is that I have already the tracking information. I will add, this is which one? This is foreground, whatever area we have cloned or removed. This is the original footage, right? So we have to add the track on this position and double click here. Tracking position is 1. So go to transform. Transform, we are showing none. We want to say match move. Close all the things. Now if we play, we can see this is whatever thing we have cloned, we can see on that area. So if we remove, take time and remove, we can see the complete area is been removed. Okay, now we are going to add something over here, add something. So the same procedure we can do. We delete all the things, delete, 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 delete. First of all we will do a tracker. Okay, so I want to add this thing over here, right here. Here we have a problem, we have a radio over here. So if we place this area, I think it will be on top of that area. For that we have to do a roto. Complete area we have to do a roto. Then only it will be on the top of that. This will be on the bottom of that. So we are not going to do a roto. I have just said that we want a roto for this particular thing. Then only it should be fit over here. Otherwise it will be on the top of the radio. Okay. So I will be adding a tracker. Okay, first of all we will be adding a tracker. Before we have done, we didn't do like that. That's why I am adding a tracker before that. So select it, press Ctrl Alt, click here, go to tracker, just track. Okay, so this is the tracking information. Now I have to look at the track over here. We have certain problems. I told you now, roto will be I think the position of this will be cloned. We will be our problem will be over here. Okay, so I will be removing the information. Add a roto paint for P for roto paint. Just go to here and press P. P is the roto paint. First frame, go to this area, clone, shift, then control, then I will be cloning this to this area. Okay, yeah, the same problem will come. Look, it's on the top side. Okay, this one. Okay, no issues. First frame we have to do a roto after that. Okay, I will just move it. We can see the information is going. We add a frame hold. Frame hold should be on the first frame. Okay, go to merge, and this should be an auto alpha, should be on. Merge, roto, click here. We have to shift it, shift text as same as we have done before. Go to roto, first frame, we have to add a Bezier tool. We will add a roto over here. Look, okay, this is roto. Okay, and over we will make the operation to in. Okay, then shift text. Okay, now the information is okay, right? the information is okay, and the project settings and all the things should be proper. Means the whatever which the format and all the things should be proper, otherwise this problem may be coming. Okay, and this area I will play this. We can't find anything because we have only the foreground thing. Now we want the background. Control C, Control V. Okay, make a merge node, just make the background. So if we play this, we can see the information is going like that. So we already have a tracker node, right? So I will put the tracker node like this over here. Go to the first frame, go to transform, say match move, just close it. Okay, now we can see it is stuck over here. Okay,